This video covers how to use the Python library OpenPyXL to increase and decrease the display of the decimals in an Excel workbook. This is our testing document that has information contained only in the first cell. It currently says 12.35%. I will first increase the number of numbers displayed after the decimal, and then decrease them all the way down so the number ends up being rounded to 12. Over here, I'm bringing in the workbook as WB, and I'm selecting the sheet as WS. I will save the work in the cell below as test percentage. To change the precision of the percent, it's as simple as passing the number format attribute of the cell object a string representing how you want the percentage to end up being displayed. No functions need to be called, just an assignment. Let's assign our cell this new format, which should show 4 numbers after the decimal point. Executed, let's go ahead and save the document and reopen it. There we go. We can see 4 numbers following the decimals. We have 12.3456. Let's try and remove all numbers after the decimal point. This is as simple as assigning the format a 0 and a percentage sign surrounded by quotation marks. Let's execute this and check out what the cell now contains. And now we see 12%. Back in Jupyter Labs, I will return the number to its original display of 2 decimal points with this line of code. Saving the workbook and opening it back up, we can see we have returned to where we started at the start of this video. So it's very simple. You just need to pass the number format attribute of the cell object a string representing how you would like the numbers to be displayed in the cell. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if this was a helpful video. Do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, as it does help others find this content. And please don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video drops.